and Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, viewers. I hope my all the lovely viewers and YouTube community are good and healthy. So God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor, viewers. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing, most attractive and decent designs of crochet. It's totally handmade crochet dresses ideas. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful collection of crochet, handmade crochet dresses. So viewer, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want decent, unique and most amazing handmade crochet dresses. I really hope that they will love this most amazing collection of handmade crochet dresses. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs of handmade crochet dresses. So you must apply these beautiful designs for more beautiful and amazing looks. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an most amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet dresses. So viewer, if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Okay viewers, see you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.